Would you like to learn how to make some delicious chicken tamale?
Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you're going to need, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. We're also going to use some multicolored bell peppers, scallions, and red onion. Chop that up nice and fast like me.
So, for all my bougie bakers out there, girl, bye. I don't have that type of time. Jiffy is my best friend when I want to do it quick, fast, and in a hurry. It does the trick. And I'm really hating because I don't know how to bake. But Jiffy is good. Try it. Or you can make your own. Do you, boo?
Work smarter, not harder, beloved. Go ahead and make the cornbread like the box tells you to. Just add some cream corn and melted butter like I'm telling you to. Don't talk back. Once we get everything in, then we're going to mix it up. But you never want to overmix your cornbread because if you overmix it, it could become too stiff. Next, to a lightly greased baking dish, we're going to add a thin layer of the cornbread mixture. We're only adding about 1/4 cup here and saving the rest for later. This is going to act as our pie crust in a sense. Oven preheated to 400, and we're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. We don't want to thoroughly cook it here. We just want to get it to harden up a bit just so that we can put the filling on top of it without it sinking in. While that's cooking, let's go ahead and work on the filling. I have some olive oil in the pan on medium-high heat, and I'm going to saute these veggies, the onions, and the bell peppers, also a little garlic. I forgot to mention 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to let this saute for about 2 minutes before adding in my shredded chicken. I had a rotisserie chicken left over, and I just shredded it up. And I'm going to season the chicken with a little taco seasoning. If you don't have taco seasoning, you can use chili powder, cumin, paprika, a little salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dried oregano, and black pepper. I'm building flavor and moisture here with a little salsa. Get that all well combined nicely, and then we're going to add in some black beans. It's giving a little Tex-Mex vibe. Yep, don't drain the beans though, more moisture. But since I added the beans and salsa, I need a little bit more seasoning, so I'm adding a 1/2 pack of sazon. Stir, stir, stir. Then add some cheese. You know everything's better with cheese, child. I turned off the fire because I don't want to overcook the chicken, which was already cooked, and the cheese will melt with the residual heat. Back to the cornbread after 15 minutes. It's done, and now I'm just going to poke some holes all over the cornbread so that the yummy flavors from the filling can sink in a little bit. Now I'm going to add some enchilada sauce, however you pronounce it, sauce, and spread it all over. And then take the chicken mixture and add that right on top. And spread that all over as evenly as possible. Then find the rest of that cornbread mixture and add some cheese. Yes, more cheese. Some scallions and some bell peppers. Get that all well combined nicely, and then add that to the top of the chicken mixture. And then spread that all over as evenly as possible. This is going back in the oven for another 20 minutes or until the cornbread is golden brown. Once done, it should look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. I gotta tell you, this was so good. It's actually one of my new favorite meals now. I also make it using ground beef instead of the chicken, and that is the bomb too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.